So let's continue our walk. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. So the other view of the auditorium. The other view of the auditorium. Yeah. Yeah. Let's check the other view of the administration block. Yeah. So cars are being parked here. Cars are being parked here. So let's get closer to their laboratory. So this health sciences laboratory complex. So these are their laboratory, their science lab. Yeah, this is the lab, the lab, the lab. Yeah, this is the lab, this is the lab. Yeah, so as you can see, very nice building, very nice building. Okay, so let's continue our walk. Let's continue our walk. Yeah. So this is another auditorium that is being built. I don't know whether it's a lecture hall, but I heard it's auditorium to another auditorium that is being built. But they use this as a lecture hall. I can hear some voice from the teacher, lecturer lecturing them. So yeah, very nice building. Very, very nice building, as you can see. Yeah. So as you can see, so this is the School of Medicine. So let's have a view of the School of Medicine. School of Medicine. The students coming from the whole school. Yeah, so this is the School of Medicine block. This is the School of Medicine block. Yeah. So this is Tamale. So that's another block for the School of Medicine. That's the lab. Yeah. So the lab, let me draw closer. So you see how the building, how big the building is. So that was the front view that I showed you. So the back view, you can just see the back view from here. Yeah. Back view. Yeah. So that's the back view. Yeah, that's the back view of the lab. The back view of the lab. So there's another lab at the back of the longer one. That one is a mini lab, but it's big. So it's not that big as compared to this one. You see this one, there's the front. I've shown you the front view. Yeah, it's fully air conditioned. Yeah, can even see the windows. So you see students here. See students here. Yeah, so you can see students here. So that's the lab. The other lab. Now you see students are around. Students are around. Okay. So see how motors are being parked here. Motors all over this place. So there are cars today. This block is nursing and midwifery block. Nursing and midwifery block. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just so as you can see. So this is the back view. So let's go and check the front view. Let's have a walk. Let's have a walk. Kindly keep watching. Keep watching. Yeah. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. So students too are around. Yeah. I don't know. I should enter this vlog. Now today we are just showcasing how the environment looks like. Find time and enter the vlog for you to have a look. So students. As you can see the environment. It's UDS Tamale campus. Yeah, we have education of faculty, faculty of education. Yeah, faculty of education. Yeah. So this is their blog. Yeah, we'll go there right now. Let's check the nursing and midwifery blog first. So this is the blog. See how it looks like. Yeah, the building is so nice. So let me go. So this is street. As you can see, this is street. This is street. Yeah, this is street. So as you can see, this is street. So that's the medicine blog. Yeah. Yeah. So you see how the nursing and midwifery blog looks like. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the front view. This is the front view. Let me go the side views too. I'm showing you the other side. Yeah. So just follow. Yeah, this is the other side. Yeah, so you see how the environment looks like. Yeah. So the buildings you are seeing are rooms for the lectures. Yeah, it's being occupied by the lectures. Yeah. So these are bungalows. Yeah. These are bungalows. So let's go inside. So let's check the Faculty of Education. Here they will say FOE. Let's check the Faculty of Education. Yeah, continue watching. This is the street. Yeah, the main street of the school. This is the main street of the school. So let's check the Faculty of Education vlog. Yeah, so this is the vlog, the Faculty of Education. Yeah, yeah. So so this is the nursing and midwifery. So I see this view. You can see it. Well, like yeah, this is the nursing and midwifery vlog. Yeah, yeah. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue with our walk. Let's continue with our walk. Let's continue with our walk. Yeah, let's continue with our walk. Yeah, so this school, the School of Allied Health Sciences. Yeah, this blog is School of Allied Health Sciences. Yeah. Yeah, School of Allied Health Sciences. you can see, this is the block. So let's just stand here and have a look of the block, how it looks like. How it looks like. Yeah. Yeah. So let me just stand where then you have a look of the School of Allah Health. Yeah, so you can see the place. Yeah, so this is school. Yeah, so this is School of Allah Health Sciences. Yeah, a blog of the School of Allah Health Sciences. So let's continue. Have a look of how the environment looks like. Yeah. Yeah, so we have gotten to the library. The library. Yeah. Yeah, so you enter the library and see how this blog looks like. Inside is the library. Yeah, you see how students are learning. This is the library blog. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Like the video, share for other people to also watch this video. Yeah, this is the library comfort. Yeah, so you see UDS environment. Yeah, UDS environment. Yeah. So let's check the library. So in front of the library, this is in front of the library. There are students also there and doing the assignment or something. Yeah. So this is the library. How it looks like. Yeah. So let's draw. Let's go inside. We are going inside, so we watch the inside in our next video. If you want to watch the inside, you check it in our next video. Yeah. This is the library. This is how the environment looks like. So you check the inside in our next video.